Hello and welcome back to another episode of Handy Dandy Repairs. Today we're going to look at a PS5 that is apparently overheating. So first things first, we're going to pull it apart, have a quick look, see, make sure the fan's not clogged or anything, and then we'll test it, verify the issue, and go from there. So this is it here. It is a disc edition console, as you can see there. So I'll get it quickly plugged in. Make sure it turns on. Heard a crackle from there, that's good. Alright, I've got a blue light. Ooh, free disc. I've just dropped it. Call of Duty Black Ops Cold War. Cool. Free disc. Love it. Now I believe it's on. Or not. Oh yeah, we've got a white light. Let's chuck a HDMI cable in there and see what we get. I am noticing the fan isn't spinning. That would probably explain the overheating. Connector itself looks okay. I'll just quickly swap this fan over. Got another one here somewhere. It's also missing the shroud, so maybe somebody has tried replacing this before, which is a little concerning. Just plug this one in. See if we get a fan spin. And we do. Alright, I may have to disable HDCP so we can get this on the game capture. Bring it over here. Plug it directly into the monitor. And good, we got a logo. Let me just grab a controller. I need a cable for the controller. Any USB-C cable will work. Should be one here. Oh. Controller synced. Alright, so I've just disabled HDCP. Plug it back into the game capture. And we'll jump over to... Oh, lovely. There it is. So it's working. Nice easy fan replacement one. Just quickly screw that back in. Actually, I'll leave the screws out for now because I will pull it apart and give it a service at some stage. But lovely, nice, easy, quick repair. So that's it for today. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.